How to fix this sign-in option is disabled because of failed sign-in attempts. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this issue. So if you have repeatedly tried to sign in and entered incorrect PIN or password on your computer, this might be the reason why you're getting the issue. So the first thing you're going to have to do is put your computer to sleep. So make sure that you put your computer to sleep. And once you wake it up from sleep, you will see an option to enter your PIN where you have also an option to click on forgot my PIN or password. So in that case, what you can do is go ahead and click on that and it will give you an option to reset your password. Now from here, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and open up my Microsoft account. And once you open up your Microsoft account, you will get the reset email on your Microsoft account. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly sign in here. And as you guys can see here, I have already signed into my account. From here, what I'm going to do is click on the account option, go to my Microsoft account and go to my account manager. In your case, you will directly get the email, but I'm just going to show you guys what the process is. So from here, what you can do is simply go ahead and click on the forgot password option. So go to change password, go to the security tab, and then from here, click on change password. And once you do that, you will be asked to enter the password. And if you click on this forgot password option, it will give you an option to email it. Now, once you go ahead and enter your email address that's connected to your account, click on get code and you'll get the verification code here. Once you enter it, you should be able to reset your password and simply log into your computer. And it's as easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful to you guys, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.